Editing on mobile, but your edits still don't hit like those viral ones? You try everything, transitions, effects, perfect syncing, but it still feels average. I used to think the same, until I discovered one small thing that completely changed my edits. Not just using Hardshake, but creating my own from scratch. And once I did, my edits instantly started looking way more powerful and professional. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own Hardshake step by step. And trust me, the final result at the end is something you don't want to miss. So watch till the end. And if this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Anyways, here's the preview.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And